Hello team, I'm back for the Bitcoin weekly video. Last week I skipped because I was away from my home. I was in Barcelona. This week I'm gonna do, but I don't think nothing changed from last week. I mean, if I did the same video last week, I think will be exactly the same stage. I don't know if Bitcoin is so slow because it's summer, or it's just like in this phase, but right now I don't see anything significant. Anyway, I said last week that this will have been a nice long. Honestly, if I would have taken this long, right now it will be completely flat. Why? Because in my opinion, we are back at resistance. We are still into this bearish weekly order block, and right now actually it's most probably going to close as a weekly raid. Okay, they raided this high, but why I will be flat? Well, first of all, this liquidity is gone. Yeah, allora, first of all, here we are still printing an higher high. Okay, so even if there is a weekly raid, I couldn't become like extremely bearish, because in the end we are printing higher highs. Okay, so higher high and lows. I'm aware of the liquidity below, but if I will short these things, I wouldn't short to new lows. I will short, like maybe here or maybe something like this. They take this liquidity and keep bouncing. I can totally see something like this. For example, let me be clear. If they wake up and then they keep going. For now, the trend is still up, bullish. Okay, so why I say that I will be completely flat? Because a raid without BMS, it's insignificant to my eyes, and right now the bullish support is holding. So they couldn't even break. Let me go into a clean chart. Let's do this. They couldn't even break H4. Let's say this is a H4 support. They raided, they couldn't even break it. So right now is a weekly raid and without no confirmation. Usually I like to have at least an H12 BMS after a weekly raid in order to say like, okay, now it's bearish. What does it mean? The chart should close. H12 should close below this swing low. Okay, to start to feel like bearish at least. If H12 do something like this, close here, stay here a while, then I will evaluate shorts. But right now H12 is bullish. They're raiding, but there is no bearish BMS confirmation, so I don't see any reason to short or to go long. Neither. I wouldn't be in any longs here. Okay. Well, you can say, Francesco, there is a bullish raid. H4 raid. Somehow H1 BMS. Oops. Yeah, technically it's a bullish raid BMS, but I don't know. I wouldn't be so confident with this raid. So yeah, this is a flat situation for me on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm sorry. I say that I will have start to trade in the end of the month. I think I was talking about the end of June, but no, there is no chance I can start to trade now. I'm still like super busy with my work, like super. So I don't know, maybe in the end of July, half August, I will deposit some money. For now, I don't have any intention to get involved on live Bitcoin trades. So I hope these reviews help you anyway, and yeah, I will be flat here. I will wait for at least some H12 BMS bearish and maybe consider shorts where, well, I see liquidity below this low and all this imbalance is still valid. So That's enough for me for today, guys. I see you tomorrow with Euro. Finally, we are back to Forex. Bye.